ARBB stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. First of all, market close, holiday. End of week report for this was actually kind of interesting with 42% increase in price, but I'm going to still keep using my strategy that I've tested for 39,000 videos, more than anyone else in this freaking space, with all the proof documented. Right, previously, was waiting for a confirmation. I mean, initially I saw a very beautiful increase in price and pretty much volume, and that was powerful, you know, who could have taken things up, but unfortunately no confirmation got met, which is fair because not everything's supposed to be traded, and in this instance then came down, took back up. I'm not saying this is something that I'm willing to kind of trade because again, no rules are really kind of being met. The targets are still going to be at the top of this range and the highs, but without a proper confirmation it's going to be really tough for me to kind of get involved. Borderline, I'm not. So yes, we will sure thing continue to keep you updated. If the price gives me no rules, then obviously I'm not gonna buy. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.